Check out the world's first acid-treated CyberTruck. One of the owner of the CyberTruck used acid to chemically blacken the truck. Owner says it's a two-step process to black the stainless steel. Cover the truck with acid to etch the metal, or scuff sand it first. Once done, apply stainless bluing chemical. Forms a living patina layer on the surface. The chemical used to black out the truck is black SS50, which is hazardous. This can be only used outdoors and always need to wear an acid gas respirator during the application. This chemical is used to create an antique black finish on the stainless steel. This is different from the black oxide coating in terms of process and material interaction. It takes a couple of hours for the application of compound on the whole truck. Here is the final result after the application is complete.